Hello everyone, welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using a program called Canva. This is actually a website. It's called canva.com, and on this website you can design all kinds of different things, including Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, blog posts, invitations. They have a ton of things. And so this is how I actually make my YouTube thumbnails. It's super easy, and I wanted to just walk you through it really quick. I'm going to be making one for this video I just did yesterday. I haven't made a thumbnail for it yet. I usually try to do it as I'm uploading, but I wanted to make this video today. So this is a video I just did about fetch rewards and how you can basically buy groceries, scan in your receipt, and earn reward points. So we're going to make a thumbnail for that. And here's the homepage for Canva. And as you can see, they have a ton of things you can do, and it just keeps going. There's the Instagram post, Facebook post. So these are already configured for the dimensions that Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest, they're already configured for what they want you to have. So 1080 by 1080, here's a 940 by 788. So it makes it really convenient. But we need to do a YouTube thumbnail. So we're going to click here. And then it brings you into the editing area. And this is super simple to do. They have all of these templates already, or you can just, within this white space here, you can just make your own. But we're going to use a template today. And let's see. You have a ton to choose from. Now, I will tell you that some of these are premium, or meaning they're going to cost you money. But as long as they don't have a as long as it doesn't have a price next to it, it's free. So let's see what would be good for this one. I'm thinking maybe this one. As you can see, it says free right here. I'm trying to find one that's not free. This one doesn't say it's free, so that might cost you money. They have plenty of templates that are free, so you can honestly just choose from them. So we're going to go with this one. So all I'm going to do now is just change the wording. And like I said, this is for this video here. Buy groceries and earn rewards with fetch rewards. So I'm just going to change the wording. And I need to just change the sizing. So I just go up here. You can change the font, the sizing, all of that right up there. And I'm going to go down a little further. Okay, we're going to change this wording as well. And you can change the coloring of your font. I don't like that red, so I'm just going to add a new one. So you click here, and you can change the gradient by this, or you can put in the number if you know what your color number is. So I like that red a little better. Okay, so now I want to change the background color here, the image. So I'm just going to click on in here, and we're going to go to photos. And I want to find something grocery related. So, okay, so it's going to bring up all these images. And you see here where it says premium and it has a $sign. So this says that this image can be purchased for $1, which isn't bad, but we're going to go with a free one because that's what I'm going to show you today. So we've got all these good images here. Okay, so I don't like that one, so I'm going to take that off. Okay, so all I did there is I dragged it over here so that it would fill up the entire, so it wasn't just adding an image within here, it was actually creating the background. So I kind of like that. I want to come back into here and play with this a little bit. And you can also change the background of this box. So right up here you see it's currently white. Click on that. And we can change that to stand out a little bit more. Let's see. Oh, kind of like that. Okay. So there you go. So here is going to be my YouTube thumbnail. I think I'm going to add one more element. So we're going to go over here to Elements. And here I've used this little guy before, but I'm going to search for another one. I'm going to put in money. And so it brings up all of these money symbols. And let me try a different. Here we go. Okay. These are all going to cost money. The other thing you can do is add your own pictures, which you would do right here through the upload. So if you already have an image that you want to use, you can just go and upload it here and then choose it. I don't have any images for this, so I think I'm just going to go with this one, and here we're going to resize it. And I'm going to angle it a little bit. And I'm going to change the color. Once again, you just come over here. And we're going to change the color. And I'm going to change this now because now I don't like that. Okay. Okay, so here we have our thumbnail picture, and I think I'm happy with it. And so what all I'm going to do now is click over here to download. And I always, for YouTube thumbnails, I usually change it to this, to a JPEG. It's just easier. And then we're going to download. Save file. Okay, so that's how easy that is using Canva. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my YouTube thumbnail area. And there it is. And hit save. Okay, so now I've added it here to the thumbnails, and it is good to go. So that is Canva. There's all different kinds of things you can do with this. I love it, and like I said, a majority of the stuff is free, so you don't have to pay or upgrade or any of that stuff if you don't want to. I've been using the free version for quite a long time. I may upgrade in the future, but for now, it's working for me. So you can see I've made a whole bunch of these. These are some other ones I've made recently. You might notice that, you might recognize them, I guess, from my other videos. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot out of it, and I'm going to leave a link to Canva in the description if you want to go check it out. It's free to sign up, and you can, even if you don't have YouTube thumbnails, if you want to, make an Instagram post or something else, there's tons of templates that you can get started with. All right, that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one.